Hey guys, it's Marcus Maloney. Good afternoon. On this week's 2-minute meetup, I wanted to just talk about how to find a mentor. I get this question asked continuously. Find this question on Bigger Pockets continuously. As a newbie, how do I find a mentor? So one of the things, or a few of the things I want to tell you about on finding mentors is you have to be prepared. I'm not sure if you're aware of the saying that says when the pupil is prepared or when the pupil is ready, the teacher will arrive. So you have to do your responsibility in the beginning before you can go and approach a mentor. So some of the things that you can do, you can figure out what your marketing budget is. You can figure out what area you want to be in. You can figure out, what marketing resource you want to use, things of that nature. You don't want to just jump out and say, hey, I need to find a mentor. I want to find a mentor because I want to be a real estate investor. But what do you bring to the table? What do you bring to that real estate investor? He is an investor, so he's going to be investing his time in you and vice versa. So what are you going to bring to the table? Are you going to bring him deals? Are you going to split deals with that person? Are you going to help them acquire deals? So you always have to know, in order to find a mentor, there's a few things you need to do. You need to be prepared, one, and then you need to make sure that you're in the right area. So places you can find a mentor is at local meetups. You can find a mentor at your local RIA groups. You can go on websites like Bigger Pockets and introduce yourself to people that's in your area and find out what you can do to help them. So you always want to be able to provide value to that person. You never want to take advantage of an individual that's trying to help you. And I bring this to the table because I just got off the phone with a person that I'm looking to be a prospective pupil too. So I was interviewing a mentor and see what I can do, in order to make this a mutual beneficial agreement. And then also I just jumped into a new endeavor on last week, and when I went out, I had to go out with a mentor. I was the intern, so to speak. So I had to be prepared. I had to know what I had to bring to the table. I had to know what I was looking to receive. And at the end of the day, what was my goal? So in order to find a mentor, you need to have these things prepared and you need to know where to find those individuals. So I gave you a few things in this quick little 2-minute meetup. In order to find a mentor, you have to be prepared, know what you're bringing to the table, and you know where to go to find those mentors, your local meetup, your local RIA, websites, and talk to others that's in your area that's doing what you're doing. So this is Marcus Maloney. This is your 2-minute meetup for the week. If you want additional resources, contracts, assignment agreements, I have 15 questions to ask motivated sellers or to vet motivated sellers. So you can go to marcusemaloney.com. That's MARCUS. E as in equity, Maloney, MALONEY.com. And then also, you know where to find me at on most of my social media hangouts. Go to MRCS Maloney at Twitter, at Instagram, Marcus Maloney at LinkedIn, and look forward to doing some work with you guys. Looking forward to seeing your progress. So remember to always enjoy the journey.